tiny sand tails.
Hello, little artists, and welcome back to Under the Sea Wicked. Today, we're going to meet a friend who has a great big ocean to swim in, but sometimes feels a little small on the inside. Let's go to our storyteller, Emma, to meet him.
Thank you, Pipo. Our friend today is a sweet shark named Sonny. Sonny had a very kind heart, but he was also very, very shy. Let's bring Sonny to life by starting with his gentle eyes, using a little white and black sand. Now let's give him his shape with the black outlines. Sonny's biggest worry was his smile. Can you guess why? Because Sonny was so shy. His cheeks would often turn a rosy pink when he felt nervous. Let's add his blushing cheeks now. We'll color his big fin and tail a deep, calm dark blue, and the rest of his body a light blue. Using a light and a dark color helps create depth and makes Sonny look more real. Can you point to the light blue?
Awesome!
Now here was Sonny's secret worry. He had a mouthful of very sharp, pointy teeth. Let's color them bright white. Sonny worried that if he gave a big, happy smile, the other fish would think he was scary. So he always tried to keep his smile hidden. But underneath his shyness, Sonny had a warm, sunny heart. Let's show his kindness by giving him a warm belly with a beautiful gradient, blending a bright yellow into a gentle orange. Sonny watched the other little fish play, wishing he could join them. He let out a few quiet, wishful bubbles. Let's make them shimmer with white, light blue, light pink, and light purple. Look at all his pretty, colorful bubbles. If you could have a bubble pet, what color would it be? The other fish and the little starfish didn't know Sonny was friendly. They only saw his big teeth and kept their distance. Before we color the ocean, let's use our stickers to show them hiding in the seaweed and around the reef. Let's create the peaceful ocean floor with shades of light brown and dark brown. And now for the big, beautiful ocean. We'll fill it with the lovely sparkling teal and a hint of light purple. Suddenly, Sonny saw that the little starfish had gotten tangled in some seaweed. Let's reveal the starfish and color him a bright teal. The starfish looked worried. For a moment, Sonny felt shy. Oh no, the starfish is in trouble. What do you think a kind and brave friend would do now? Sonny knew he had to help. Sonny swam over slowly and used his nose to gently untangle the starfish. The little pink and red fish, who were hiding in the green seaweed, watched in amazement. They didn't see a scary shark. They saw a kind friend. The little fish swam out from hiding. The starfish gave Sonny a happy wiggle. And for the first time, Sonny gave a great big toothy smile, not out of worry but out of pure joy. And nobody was scared at all. They saw it for what it was, the smile of a new friend. Sonny was so brave and kind. Now let's welcome our friend Ava to review the words from his story.
Review. Shark, shark, shark. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Belly, belly, belly. Shy, shy, shy. Starfish, starfish, starfish. Friends, friends, friends. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Blue, blue, blue. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Brown, brown, brown. Teal, teal, teal.
Wow! Sonny was so brave. That story shows us something so important. It doesn't matter what you look like on the outside. It's the kind of in your heart that makes you a true friend. I have a question for you. Can you think of one tiny thing you can do for someone today? Thank you for joining our Under the Sea adventure. If you love Sonny's story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Smile!
See you next time on Tiny Sand Tales. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.